Hi and welcome back to the channel. Um, I don't have so much for you guys because I actually got a job. Um, in this very strange time where everything's closed down, I managed to land a job in transport. So I'm driving a 8 pallet van with groceries around to people who order it online. And I'm really glad for my job. It's been a year since I've had like proper work. Since the symphonic orchestra kind of closed every concert down, so there was no work there. The conference place that I was working at as well, which is kind of the same place, building, same concern. There's nothing going on there. So yeah, so I'm working my ass off, and I don't have any time to FPV, which really sucks. But it's only the beginning. I've only been doing this for some time now, so I'm just getting used to working again. I can feel it. My shoulders are a bit sore, back is a bit sore, but I'll survive. The channel is not. I'm not gonna stop doing YouTube content. It's not that. It's just I'm not gonna be able to do like 2 or 3 videos a week anymore. So bear with me. Strange times, and yeah, I gotta get going. Gotta get to work now. It's afternoon. I've got the afternoon shift until nighttime. It's a short trip, but I think there's gonna be a hell of a lot of stops, and it's gonna be apartments. So stairs, lots, lots of stairs. So I'm crossing my fingers that there are not so many stairs today. Um, yeah, elevators is not a thing here. Buildings are so old in this town. This town is like, I don't know, over 1,000 years old almost. So yeah, so there's not much to say. I mean, I could take you over to my desk, but there's nothing going on there. Um, all I've been doing is when I've had some time, I've been flying my little red-eyed twig thing around, and it's still going. Same props, although they're bashed up a bit. No issues. It's a nice thing to fly, and it can fly on 1S, and it's pretty good. So hopefully, uh, the weather just changed from the snowy outside. All the snow is melted now. It's starting to become springtime. So when I have some more time or day off or something like that, because I haven't had a day off since I started, pretty much the day off I had, I was just with my mates, just you know, they were interested in talking about my job, and we made some nice food, and we sat and played PlayStation, and what we normally do. And so I haven't really done much. I hope you're staying flying and staying safe. And thank you for watching. And remember to like, subscribe, and comment, all that good stuff. It helps the channel, helps us all. I answer all comments that are with questions. If there are any questions you have about components or tips and tricks or something like that, don't hesitate to ask. I'll try and answer as best as I can. Still waiting for parts for the mobile phone that I was fixing. I can see that they've been sent, so hopefully, sorry that I keep looking that way. It's just I'm checking the time. I gotta get moving soon. So yeah, parts for the phone are coming. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to solder the USB thing. I might need like an air gun, hot air thing to be able to do that. So I might have to order one of those. I haven't really found one. So if you know of a cheap, good one somewhere, that is like 12 volt. It not something I don't need. One that would work on 12 volt would be brilliant. One that's with battery, even better. Max 300 watts. I don't. That's like my maximum kind of wattage here. At the moment. Anyway, see you later and stay safe. As I said before, and fly hard.